Let's try to get this loop to work. Run all cells up to the loop. Write a cell where we run the download data frame function. We get an invalid client secret error. There was an error opening a file called gdrive private because it was not in that directory. Let's fix this error. We are using df2 gspread for this function, and this is where the error is coming from. Thus, go to their documentation and complete the Access Credentials section. Go to the Google console and start with step 4 to enable the Google Drive API. Then we need to go to the Credentials section and select OAuth consent screen and enter our email and the product name and click on Save. Now we need to create credentials in the drop-down menu. Select OAuth Client ID. Choose the Other application type and type in any name you'd like. Finish by clicking on Create and we get our OAuth client credentials. Now download these credentials in JSON format. Lastly, we need to move and rename that file to the right place so that the df2 gspread library can access them. Open a new terminal tab and change the directory to the Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, apply the mv command. This command moves and renames a file. After the command, type the file name of the JSON we just downloaded, and after a space, type the path and file name from the Jupyter Notebooks error. You can move back to your home folder and you will not find the file in the Finder, since it has a dot in front of the name, which renders the file hidden. But in our terminal, type ls-alt. This shows all files and descriptions of them. We can find our gdrive private file here. Go back to your Jupyter Notebook and run the cell. This is our first time we use the OAuth credentials, so we need to allow them. Check if it worked by running the cell again. And we do not get any output anymore, which means success. When we look for the results for our previous data and the start date, we can see that we have no previous data set and our datetime date is 6 August 2017.